Hi everybody, my name is Ardie from Nova Scotia, Canada. Like to do this here song I wrote, and it's called My Train of Thoughts. And it goes like this. Oh, that train still goes by my place. No longer will I ever see your face. There was an accident just outside of town. Ever since I heard the news, nothing but tears come down. Oh, that train will always roll by, and I will always see your face and eyes. Every day I ask God why? He says it's never goodbye. So I will roll on with my life, with your memories, my days and nights. You'll always be my bright, bright light. You're shining down, oh, so bright. Oh, that train will always roll by, and I will always see your face and eyes. Every day I ask God why? He says it's never goodbye. He says it's never goodbye. Thank you. Thanks now.